Hi guys, and welcome to the bonus page for OmnisitesAI. Now before we get started in the video, let me tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to cover my bonuses, then I will jump inside Omnisites. I'll show you what this does. I'll show you how you can use it with my bonuses as well. Now there is only 40 places for this. Once those 40 spots have gone, this will be closed down. So don't wait. If you want this, lock it in. Now, it doesn't matter what you purchase, the front end or the bundle, you will get this bonus. So this bonus is for the front end. So let me show you what you get. This first one is Lead Orbit. Now, Lead Orbit is a Google-powered lead scraper. So what this does is you put in, your niche and things like that, and it'll pull you leads for that niche, that category. You can export those leads. It gives you kind of scores on the leads as well. So giving you the full pro version worth $297. Okay, tells you what it does here: advanced filtering, real-time delivery. Okay, so giving you that. Now we're also giving you Real Campaign AI. So this is your short form campaign creator. So it automates 7-day content campaigns, daily form, short form videos, full video scripts. So you can see everything that does. Shorts to social AI. So this creates, so you take a short video and it creates a multi-platform campaign. So you've got like Facebook posts, you've got tweets, email templates, everything done for you from just a short form video. You've got Trend Hook. Now Trend Hook is a really nice app. It finds real trending hooks. Okay, and it doesn't just find those, it gives you live hashtag data as well. Okay, then you got Viral Hashtag Miner. So this gives you again hashtags, but they're all what's kind of viral right now. So you got like momentum scores, whether the hook is the hashtag is stable, whether it's keeping its viral hook type of thing. It's got saturation level, but all that it's real live data. You've got Offer Vision AI. Now, Offer Vision, what this does, it allows you to put in kind of a hook, and it will find trending data for that hook. So Offer Vision AI. So what this does, it scrapes TikTok for viral offers. So it shows you what's trending now on TikTok, and it tells you how to create and offer a product for that. Then it tells you more about that as well. Now all those 6 apps come with full reseller rights. So you can resell each one of those apps as your own. So you've got your sales page, you've got delivery, and you pass on the source code as well, not just access to the app. You can actually sell the app. Okay, so you've got marketing graphics, thank you, delivered pages, all included, all ready to go. Then you've also got the done for you bundle reseller, so you can sell those as a bundle. Now we know how hot bundles are right now, and you can sell those 6 apps as a bundle. And don't forget, you don't just sell access to the apps, you can actually sell the source code. And we've got white glove app build. Now, people do struggle by getting their apps online. Some people aren't really techie. Well, they don't take much to install. Very, very easy. But normally this is an upsell. Now we're concluding it on the front end. So what that means, you get this if you purchase the front end. So we will build and brand those 6 apps for you. Okay? So you tell us what you want for the pages, the apps, and we will rebrand those for you. And we're also including white glove payment integration. So if you're unsure how to kind of connect up to JVZoo or Warrior Plus, we'll do that for the 6 apps as well. You've got the 7 funnel Empire system. Now this is 7 funnels ready to go. So each funnel has a lead offer, a video upgrade, and a software upgrade. So you can, get those going, start selling them as your own. You've got 7 full funnels there. Then we've got White Label Funnels Pro. Now again, this is normally an upgrade, but includes the funnel architect, funnel copy master, and funnel script creator. And again, you get source code, customizable branding, all sales material, sales pages, everything you need to resell those as your own. Then you've got these other great bonuses as well. So digital marketing, Facebook Ads Ninja, image income methods, crash course affiliate marketing gains. So you can see this is a huge bonus, not to be beat. You know, you can look around, you won't get a better bonus than this. Got done for you installation, done for you payment integration, you got reseller, you got bundle reseller, and you got full 6 source code apps. Okay, so let's jump inside OmnisItes now, and I'll show you exactly what this does. Okay guys, so here we are inside OmnisitesAI. Now, I've been playing around with this, really nice app, and it does exactly what it says on the tin. So you can see some websites I've made with this, OSM agency, I've made online success model. Let me show you. All these are made completely with AI, completely with the system. Now, everything here can be edited. So, for example, if I want to edit this, I'll go across here and I'll go to the dashboard. I can change the pages here, so let's go here. So everything's drag and drop on the pages once they're built, so you can change anything there. So if you wanted to change that to say 80, there we go, and we just click publish, and that's done and ready to go. Now let's jump back over here. Now I'll go through the dashboard first, show you exactly what this is and what it does, and I'll show you how this works. I'll show you how you can use some of our apps with this. So you can see I've created 2 websites, I've got 2 projects, and I've got 1 organization. I've got no team members added in, just myself. So you can see the websites here, see the dates created, and you can also see some extras here. So you can FTP in, you can clone them, got the credentials to log in, and we can also download the site as well. So we don't have to use their hosting if we don't want to. So we've got sites. See the 2 sites I've created. So you've got the WordPress admin login. You've got the project that they're set under. You can add your own custom domain there, so you don't have to use the domain that they give you. Very easy to add your own custom domain in. And here you've got the same details, so you can rename them. You can FTP in, you can clone, and you've got the credentials for the login, and you can download as well. So you get different projects here. So you get different projects. It tells you how many sites are under each project. You can add projects. So I will add a project now. Let's call it, we'll call this video offer. Okay, we can create the site with AI, which I'm going to show you in a moment. Now you've got a lead finder here. Very similar to the lead finder I've given you as a bonus. The only difference is you can resell mine, you can rebrand it, you've got a full white label app there. So you've got like kind of hot leads, you've got email templates, you've got AI email as well. And then you've got the knowledge database. You've got the agency if you want to start adding your team in or creating sites for other businesses. Add your custom domain here. As I said, it's very simple to add in. Then you've got 2 plugins you can add into the sites. One is the auto blogging plugin. Now what this does, it allows you to kind of set up, if you're building a blog, so it auto posts, you know, using the AI. And you've also got a funnel creator. Okay. So those are the plugins. So let's show you how to use this and how to set up a site with the AI. So we'll go over to create site with AI. So let's go over to my bonus page. Let's think of a viral hashtag miner we'll go with. Let's go with that. Type of business. So let's think of a business. This will go under. So we'll go with affiliate marketing. The name we'll call viral hashtag. The language we'll leave it as English. Click next. Describe the product. My system will help affiliates build better social media products and find viral hashtags that are trending. We can help any affiliate create more traffic and get more views to their products. Just like that. So click next. Okay, so just wait till it goes across. So email address, I'll go with that, put the telephone number in, address in. Here we can put in a social media, so Facebook, YouTube, Yelp, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, Google My Business. So put all those in, click next. Okay, so business name, viral hashtag, description, features. So it's social media optimization, trending hashtag delivery, traffic enhancement, increased views. So it's picked up everything that we need. So services, hashtag discovery, traffic optimization. Yep, it's all good. Short description, headline, and testimonials. So all good. So let's click next. So let's pick some images that we think will work with this site. So it's affiliate marketing. So we'll go with this one. So we'll pick the portraits first. So we'll have that portrait. We'll load some more. That portrait. We'll have this one and this one. And this one. So I'll have those five. Then with some landscapes. I'll have this one, this one, this one, this one. Let's see if that's enough. Click next. At least. So we will have this one and the one. And we'll have this one. So we may need some more landscape ones. Let's see. So we've got 4 landscapes. Oh, we need another portrait. Portrait. Go with this one. So hopefully that should be enough. No, we've got 7. Oh, we should have 7. Oh no, we've got 4. There we go, 7 of each, so that should be enough. So now you've got multiple themes. So let's find a theme for this. That was quite nice actually. I quite like this one though. I'll go with this one. So a logo. So what we'll do is we'll put a logo in. We'll just download this one. And we will upload the logo. It should be that one, yep. Go with this color palette. Let's click next. Can also do custom colors as well. Right, now features. So we want elementary in there, we want contact forms, yep. So we want social share, poll and survey. Don't need e-commerce. Oh no, yeah, we will actually. SEO. We might as well pick everything and all in there. Okay, we'll click next. Let's double check everything. Viral hashtag, description, yeah, all good. Contact details. So start building the site. Takes about a minute or 2 for the site to be built. Okay, so site's all built, URL, we've got username, we've got password, so we can see the website. Let's have a little look at it, see what it looks like. Just put the heading in there. Really nice. Obviously, all this can be changed, and just link this up to your payment processor, money back guarantee. Obviously, change that out for our box shop. Add your bonuses in. So you can see how quickly and easily you can build out that site. Then obviously you've got your dashboard. And you've got pages, all pages. So you've got the privacy policy, you've got the demo, that's the front end page. And all that's done and ready to go. And obviously there as well you can add in those plugins and you can do the auto blogging, etc. So it's super simple to use, so viral hashtag, so we can add this into the video offer. Okay. So really nice, easy way to build sites. And obviously you can edit these, build them out, and you can use our offers then to resell via these sites that you can build on OmnisitesAI. And you can build sites for your clients as well. So thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.